Everyone thinks the best-selling yoga mat is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different.
Product number 1, Amazon Basics Extra Thick Mat. Let's talk about the Amazon Basics Extra Thick Exercise Yoga Mat. Priced at just $22.48. This mat caught my attention for its extra thickness and basic functionality. If you want a solid, cushy floor mat for yoga or everyday exercise, this is worth a serious look. So, here's why this mat stands out. Made from 100% NBR foam, it offers a half-inch thickness that provides excellent support and shock absorption. This means your knees and elbows get the comfort they need during those challenging poses. Plus, it has a textured surface that helps you stay grounded and stable, preventing slips during downward dog or warrior poses. It's lightweight at just 2.2 pounds, making it easy to carry with the included elastic strap. That's important if you want to take your practice on the go. The 10,000 plus sales in the past month show that many people are choosing this mat for good reason. Now, some people complained about the mat being too soft for advanced practitioners. Here's the thing though, while it may not provide the firmness some yogis prefer, it's perfect for beginners or those seeking comfort during their workouts. This is perfect for you if you're just starting your yoga journey or want a softer mat for home use. Skip this one if you need something firmer for balance-focused practices. At this price point, it's a fantastic value for beginners. Now, if the Amazon Basics mat's softness concerns you, the next option might just hit the mark for you.
Product number 2, Cap Barbell High Density Mat. The Cap Barbell 1/2 inch High Density Exercise Yoga Mat. This one doesn't have a price listed, but it's been flying off the shelves with over 8,000 sold recently. If you want maximum comfort and support during your workouts, this mat deserves your attention. What's great about this mat is its extra thick 12mm padding that really cushions your spine, hips, and knees. This is crucial when you're holding poses that can strain your joints. The non-slip surface ensures you won't be sliding around, which is vital for stability, especially during those more intense sessions. The included carrying strap makes it super convenient to transport, so you can easily take it from home to the gym. With so many people picking this mat, it's clear it's resonating with those looking for comfort in their practice. Now, some users mentioned it can feel bulky to carry around, but let's be real, if you prioritize comfort during your practice, this slight inconvenience is a small price to pay. This is perfect for you if you prioritize comfort while practicing yoga or doing high-impact workouts. Skip this one if you prefer a lightweight mat for travel. Given the quality, it offers solid value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need extra cushioning. Product number 3, Cap Barbell Folding Mat. We have the Cap Barbell All-Purpose Folding Anti-Tear Exercise Mat. At $30.99, this is a little more on the premium side, but it's been a popular choice with over 7,000 sales recently. If you're looking for something versatile that can handle various workouts, this mat might be for you. This mat is packed with features. It's 2 inches thick, providing outstanding cushioning for your joints, perfect for yoga, gymnastics, or even strength workouts. The foldable design with handles means you can easily transport it and store it without taking up too much space. Plus, the hook and loop closures allow you to connect multiple mats, which is great if you want to create a larger workout area. It's made from safe materials that are free from harmful phthalates, making it a healthier choice for everyone. However, some users have noted that the mat can be a bit heavy at 4.1 pounds. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about your workouts, the extra weight means you're getting a sturdier product that won't easily wear out. This is perfect for you if you want a durable mat that can do it all, from yoga to gymnastics. Skip this if you're looking for something ultra lightweight. For the features, it's well worth the investment. Now, if you're looking for something even more portable, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, Hall Cove Puzzle Exercise Mat. The fourth mat I'm reviewing is the 18 pieces puzzle exercise mat from Hall Cove, priced at $22.99. With its unique design, it immediately stands out as an interesting choice for anyone wanting to cover a larger area. If you need flexible flooring for your workouts, this mat is definitely worth considering. What sets this mat apart is its interlocking design. You can easily set it up in whatever configuration you need, and it covers a generous 18 square feet. The dual texture design provides a comfortable surface whether you're exercising barefoot or with shoes. The EVA foam is durable and water resistant, which is a huge plus for easy cleaning post-workout. Given that over 6,000 have been sold recently, it's clear that many are finding value in this unique offering. Now, a few folks mentioned that the tiles can shift if not secured properly, but honestly, if you're setting it up correctly, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's all about how you use it. This is perfect for you if you want customizable flooring for your home gym or workout area. Skip this one if you prefer a traditional single-piece mat. For the price, it's a solid deal for those needing flexibility in their workout space. All right, let's wrap up with a final option that's eco-friendly and designed for comfort.
Product number 5, Grouper Yoga Mat. Let's check out the Grouper Yoga Mat, which is eco-friendly and comes with a carrying strap. While the price isn't listed, it's been a popular buy with over 5,000 sold recently. If you want a mat that's safe for the environment and provides comfort, this is a fantastic option. The Grouper Mat is made from premium materials that are free from harmful substances. It offers a non-slip surface on both sides, which means you won't have to worry about slipping during your yoga practice. It's also designed to be durable, resisting tearing and deformation, ideal for those intense workouts. The 2 thickness options provide flexibility based on your preference, ensuring you find the right fit for your practice. However, some reviews mention that it can wear out faster with heavy use. Here's the thing though, if you're using it regularly for yoga or light exercises, it holds up quite well. Just be mindful if you're using it in more rigorous settings. This is perfect for you if you value eco-friendliness and comfort in your practice. Skip this one if you need something that can withstand extreme wear and tear. For what it offers, it's a great choice for environmentally conscious consumers.
We started with the Amazon Basics mat for beginners, then moved to the Cap barbell mats that focused on comfort and versatility, followed by the Hall Cove puzzle mat for flexible flooring, and wrapped up with the Grouper mat that's eco-friendly. Each of these mats meets different needs, so choose the one that resonates with your practice. Happy yogaing!